Whether you're a content creator, teacher, or gamer, OBS Studio is a fantastic tool for screen recording. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so let's get started. OBS Studio lets you record your screen and even broadcast live to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and LinkedIn. Today, we'll focus on using OBS Studio to record your screen and voice, a perfect setup for instructional videos or ADR, automated dialogue replacement for voice acting. To get started, head over to the official OBS Studio website at obsproject.com. Select your operating system, and the download should start automatically. If you encounter issues, try the alternate download link provided on the page. Before you leave, though, take a moment to explore the additional resources on their website to make the most of your OBS experience. Once OBS Studio is installed, open it up and you'll first be greeted by the Auto Configuration Wizard. This tool helps you by providing optimal settings for your system. You can always adjust these settings later if needed. OBS Studio uses scenes as your workspace and sources to determine what gets recorded. You can add multiple sources to a scene and toggle between them as needed. Here's a quick breakdown of common sources you may want to use. Display capture records everything visible on a chosen display. If you have multiple monitors, you can select which one to record, making it ideal for multi-screen setups. Window capture focuses on a specific window, perfect for presentations or ADR work where you only need to display one application. Browser allows OBS to open and display a specific website directly within your scene. You can set custom dimensions for how the website appears, making it useful for embedding web content like social media feeds or widgets. Image lets you add a static image, such as your logo, to your scene. This is a great way to brand your videos while recording. And finally, Video Capture Device. This captures live video from a connected camera like a webcam. This is ideal for streaming or recording yourself alongside your content. These options give you the flexibility to tailor your recordings exactly how you need them. Audio is key to any great recording. In the Audio Mixer panel, OBS lets you control all audio inputs. Test your microphone beforehand to ensure the volume is clear and doesn't clip. Adjust the gain as necessary, and if you want to include system audio, make sure desktop audio is unmuted. For clean recording, though, I recommend muting unnecessary channels to avoid capturing unwanted noise. Before hitting Start Recording, double-check where your files will be saved. You can find and set the file's path in OBS's settings under the Output tab. OBS automatically names files with the date and time, which you can rename later for better organization. Once you've recorded your content, you might need to remux the file. This process converts OBS's default format, MKV, to something more widely compatible, like MP4. Here's how. Go to File, then Remux Recordings. Select your file by clicking on the three dots here. Choose the recording to remux, and confirm the save location. It's quick and ensures smooth compatibility with editing software like Premiere Pro. And that's it! You're now ready to start recording with OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For professional voiceover and videos, or to explore additional instructional content and more, visit my website at xaviercarrigan.com.